Welcome back, viewers. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys about the boom lock or the transport lock, how to get it in transport mode, how I get it in transport mode. Not really a how-to video. So let's take a look here. Case calls this operation swing over center. What that means is, let me show you what center is. The center point here, it has to swing past it. And when you swing past it, the joystick controls change directions. If I push forward, it goes back. If I push back, it goes forward. If I push forward, it goes back. It's because it's past the center point. Push back and it'll go forward. See? Now I'll push back and it'll go back. That's because it's past the center point that way. See? At the center point this reverses. I did not know that for the longest time until I figured out how to do this transport lock. I don't know if it was because I replaced the seals on those cylinders and maybe that made a difference. I really don't know. Tell me your thoughts on that. I don't know. Or maybe I just didn't know how to do it right. But I'll show you guys what I figured out how to put this in transport lock or boom lock really easy. The John Deere's or Caterpillars have this. How do they lock up? I'd be interested to know. So let me show you. Let's start this thing up and I'll do it in actual operation. Yeah, typically I put the downriggers down, rev it up to about half throttle. So I bring it up to where it's at the center point, about the center. I'll pause and then reverse my stroke, just like I showed you what the reverse does, right? So up goes down, down goes up. Alright, that's the video, folks. How I get the Case Backhoe to swing over center is what Case calls it, or boom lock, transport mode.